Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, follow me to write the Chinese four-character idiom 千载难逢. 千载难逢 means the thing happens only once in 1,000 years or once in a blue moon. It usually describes chance of a lifetime. 千载难逢的机会. Now let's write. 千载难逢，once in a blue moon. Now check this sentence. The chance to partake in such a great historic movement doesn't come every day. 参加这样一个伟大的、有历史意义的运动的机会，真是千载难逢。参加这样一个伟大的有历史意义的运动 movement 的机会，真是千载难逢。Don't waste such a golden opportunity. 不要糟蹋这样一个千载难逢的机会。不要糟蹋 waste 这样一个千载难逢的机会。The chance to partake in such a great historic movement doesn't come every day. 参加这样一个伟大的、有历史意义的运动的机会，真是千载难逢。Don't waste such a golden opportunity. 不要糟蹋这样一个千载难逢的机会。千载难逢，千载难逢。Okay, that's all for today. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.